spare you, so no spare. Remember you say me and Tiki are good friend and not you him call. You say Tiki call you. Why you Tiki call out of everybody in the world? Tiki call you. You not have no content today. You not have no gift to get today, so it can hurt you. You not have no argument. Rosealee, come up and chat yourself. Come up and chat yourself. Do me. Come up and chat yourself. Shebada me Tiki call, you know. You can't fool the internet with me and Tiki. You cannot fool the internet. That's one thing. That my reputation strong on this. You can never fool the internet and say me and Tiki are friends. You fooling the internet, Rosealee? Eh? Me tell you say your story them yeah, Tiki your best friend. Why Tiki a call me? Then Tiki would have my number for call me. Me don't know how Tiki are my best friend and you go feel for cuss me. Me don't know how Tiki is my best friend, you know. And you and Tiki sit up and live at class me. And then Tiki and my best friend. Rosealee, your argument up. I'm telling people in this every day. You dip and repeat. You dip and repeat, Rosealee. You're on repeat. But I stress you out and you cry. Go suck your mum and then lick out bar batty all. But you cry. Rosealee, you not cry. I'm wicked, you're wicked. My aunt to you. My aunt to you about share a scammer. When you help Jaden rob the internet, oh you go, and more than one time you do it, rob evidence, Rosealee that could lead to an arrest. A long time you do it, remember me strictly ignore and pick them and take up scamming. So we share do what you don't know about. You talk about share all and man run down share. Who you see I look you from we know you a walk a look man from the internet, Rosealee. We all forgot say you have a baby father, you have a little blinger effect. Remember, only boy you look on the internet. He did one name where TJ from Maya. Remember, he did one name TJ out Maya all. Remember, Rosealee, you did one eat the boy body out Maya pum pum. You just don't care. Move from here so with your low self-esteem, self-anger, what you heel back start wash. Eh? Remember, stinking mode June. June over toothbrush crippled from Shaga Basic School. Remember you and your toothbrush mature same time. Remember that, Rosealee. Why you think your tongue so white? And you want to walk and argue with people and you look good for name on the net. Go suck your mother. Go suck your mother, Rosealee, where you eat back. Mommy, remember not start the Bible.